What's up, everybody? Now, this time, it's about a long time we've never seen before. So, I wish that I got some great news. I got some Casablanca, Casablanca, the 2000. I don't know which 2000 it is, but it's a film is from the great movie Ride. Yep, here it is. Here's the front. It looks like this is a greatest film. Side and a back. So we have right there. Yep, that's all. Now the critic reviews the we got, and this is a 9. Okay, sorry about my mistake, but it's in 2012, but it's 1942. 1942. So yeah. Plus I don't know. That's rated PG, but 102 minutes. Now let's get it open up. And I'm very excited about this. Okay. Ooh. That's not in best condition, but that's okay. Alright, here's the disc, what it looks like this time. And no guide and no nothing. So, thanks for watching.